And
Right.
then the best thing is that so many times we miss the classes, so we can go with the recording things and we can cover up. And
Oh,
it is Saturday Sunday, so it will not hamper our day-to-day activities and office work and all other things. But Python was taught very nicely, and I did practice actually lots of practice. So they were looking for Python with automations, something help is required actually, and all the LLM model, what all we can use, how to integrate with this one. So that like that, I did that. That they will suggest the next step. Suppose
mhm.
step A is done, then they will give the better approach to chapter B, means to for this one. What will be the best one, and it will guide one by one, step by step. So you follow that, it definitely it will help. So it helped me a lot.
Hello, Mr. Prakash. How are you?
Yeah, I'm good.
Great. So, like last week when I saw your success story, I was very excited to talk to you about it, and I was very eager to know about, how happy you are. So, I just wanted to check in again. How are you feeling now?
Yeah, I'm feeling good now. Earlier, I was afraid of AI. Some terminologies I was not aware, and then I was not aware of automations and all
Mm-hmm.
other things. And I got the SQLs for my things. It helped the SQL things and Python actually. So that helped me a lot to transition into new roles, new project actually. And
Oh,
apart from
okay.
that, I came to know like so many basics, and it gives so much uh, motivation to I can do something, I can go to extra miles and all like that.
Okay, okay. So Mr. Prakash, knowing about your journey, definitely, it will inspire us, it will motivate us for sure. But before diving deep into that journey, can you please introduce yourself a bit?
Yeah, my name is Prakash Chandra Nayak. I'm working for the SZ last 4 years. I have a total years experience around 10 years in IT, and I am a team lead software engineer. And my background is Java with the microservices development and front end Angular. So full stack developer team lead I am.
Okay, okay, great. So, like, how did you think of joining B10X? What was the motive actually?
No, I was looking into some Instagram or somewhere, and some Facebook also. Some ads were coming, and I saw that, and I did some analysis on that, and somehow I got a good means feedbacks. Then I thought I should go,
Mm-hmm.
and
Okay.
then I got one join demo session was there, so I joined, and it showed that it will cover so much of topics which might help me in to grow my career actually. And
Right.
then the best thing is that so many times we miss the classes, so we can go with the recording things and we can cover up. And it is Saturday Sunday, so it will not hamper our day-to-day activities and office work and all other things.
Right, right, right. True. So Mr. Prakash, like after joining the P10X, what is the achievement that you saw in your life? So is it a job offer? Is it a salary hike? Can you please tell our viewers about
Yeah,
it?
salary hike, it might be there. So that discussion will be happen after December. So that will definitely it will be there. And I need to showcase that first important that what all the demos I have given, on the basis of that they have selected. So I need to give the demo, and then I need to present myself, and then I need to give the proper solutions. So that will come up later, and I'm very happy actually.
Okay. So so you mentioned that you have changed your project, like you have internally transitioned into a new project, right?
Yeah.
Which were based on technologies, and this new project is actually focusing on AI driven solutions and automation, right?
Yes,
So
yes.
in order to transition internally into a new project which is dealing with AI and stuff, how did B10X actually help you undergo this transition?
Yeah, so actually, so many BTNX taught me so many automations and Pythons. So I don't know the instructor name, but Python was taught very nicely, and I did practice actually lots of practice. So they were looking for Python with automations, something help is required actually, and all the LLM model what all we can use, how to integrate with this one. So that like that I did that.
Okay, okay, great. So any words that you want to share to your fellow learners, who are actually willing to get similar kind of achievement in their lives as well. So what would you like to add for them?
Yeah, do practice and practice. That is things, and try to make extra one project or extra things, so you can if in session one or two session examples they are given, then you can take more examples. Now we have so much resources are there. Earlier we were having to go to Google and getting the thing, it was very difficult. Now we have the ChatGPT, perplexity is there, so you can see, give your prompt only, and you will be in good position. It will give so much good content at all. We don't need to go here and there running behind the Google actually. All will be in similar, and the best thing is that they will suggest the next step. Suppose step A is done, then they will give the better approach to chapter B, means to for this one. What will be the best one, and it will guide one by one, step by step. So you follow that. It definitely it will help. So it helped me a lot.
Okay, okay, great. So, it's been a pleasure, Mr. Prakash, connecting with you and discussing about your success story and how you actually, achieved this kind of a feat. Because usually people make transitions inside the organization very often, but making a transition that is actually very
Different
valuable is,
yeah, yeah.
yeah, so that is actually very exceptional achievement, getting into something that is related to AI thing. So very happy for you again, and congratulations on your achievement, Mr. Prakash.
Thank you.
And thank you so much for joining us today and sharing your success story with us. I
Thank you.
hope definitely it will make some impact to the people who are going to watch it, and it will add a lot of value for their career as well.
Yeah, thank you. Thank you very much.